Hi, in this video we will have a quick overview of how the dispatch label is generated. Once the plugin is installed and activated, navigate to the invoice packing from the WordPress menu. General Settings menu contains common information that is used across all shipping documents. You can explicitly enable or disable the concerned documents required for your site and configure settings pertaining to each document individually. For instance, if you don't require the document dispatch label for your store, disable and save the settings. You can see that it is removed from the menu list. Some of the common data like the company logo, return policy, address details that are used across all the shipping documents should be included in the general settings. You can even load the default address from WooCommerce. The plugin is equipped to resize the logo to fit the plugin requirement. However, we recommend not to upload an image of a large size. Additional information with respect to custom data, RTL support, packaging formats etc. can be configured from the Advanced tab. The plugin consists of a Help tab that redirects you to documentation and support, as well as lists out additional filters that can be used for extending the plugin functionality. Let's walk through the dispatch label settings window in detail. The General tab under Dispatch Label provisions the following. The Order Meta fields allows you to add additional order meta fields in the dispatch labels. You can select any default order meta values from the drop-down, or click the Add Existing Order Meta Field button to create a meta field by providing a custom field name and the respective meta key for the field. To add a product meta, say, weight from the product meta details, click on Add Product Meta and into the pop-up that appears, key in an appropriate field name and enter the meta key as it is. The meta key for the parameter weight is weight. You can see the product meta, weight, added under the product in the dispatch label. Once all the settings are configured, click the Update Settings button. Moving on to the Customize tab. It is in the Customize tab where you get more options to configure the look and feel of the dispatch label. You can create new templates from existing layouts. Each layout differs in its appearance and arrangements of elements and its constituent colors. Let us go ahead by choosing the first layout and customize it further. You can see that, as per the settings configured previously, the logo, as well as other details, are already populated in the dispatch label layout. The visibility of each element in the dispatch label can be controlled by the toggle button incorporated in this tab. Similarly, the font size, style, color, date format, product table attributes, etc. can be modified into your required manner. You can even switch to the code editor to make additional customizations other than the one listed in the visual editor. While making changes via code editor, it would be better for you to refer the help which briefs about placeholders, alternate classes for RTL support, etc. Once all the settings are configured, click on the Save and specify an appropriate name for the template, say, My Dispatch Label and save it. If there are no existing templates saved, then the created template will be activated automatically. If multiple templates are saved, it will be listed under My Templates, with provisions to activate, edit, and delete. On editing an existing template, you will be redirected back to the Customize window. You can make the necessary changes to the template and save it as usual. To activate the edited template, click on Activate. Now that all your settings are configured, you can go ahead and generate or print the dispatch label for your orders very easily. You can preview the dispatch label as per your desired layout and settings.